What's up guys, Brick Titan here with a new Donatello from the upcoming Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie. This thing is about $9 depending on where you get it, and it is awesome, so let's check it out. Alright, so here is Donatello, and as you can tell the only weapon he does come with in this figure set is his actual bow staff. And it is one color, which kind of makes me sad, but it is really detailed, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. And as you can see, he does come with a lot of articulation like the rest of the turtles in this series do. He does move his arm up and down, and they do work both ways on both arms. And his legs have a pretty good bit of articulation, but only in the upper part. The bottom part only moves so many ways. But it's still a really movable and very actual play figure, so it's pretty cool. And as you can see, he does come with a lot of detail on his backpack here, like he has some wires and he has his antennas, which is pretty neat. And I want to show you the size difference between Donatello and Raphael. As you can see, they're very different physiques on the turtles. Like, as you can see, Raphael's more muscular, and Donatello's kind of the smart turtle with a lean physique that has, like, a lot of detail, though. But overall, it's a really, really cool figure, and I hope you guys get one. Hey, before you guys go, don't forget to check out some more of our awesome Ninja Turtle reviews. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.